Lesson 32 problem set. Solve. Use simple math drawings to show how to solve with addition and subtraction. Label the number bond. Here's the story. There are 5 apples. 4 are Sam's, the rest are Jim's. How many apples does Jim have? First, I'm going to draw a picture to go with the story. It said to use a simple math drawing, so I'm not actually drawing apples, I'm just drawing circles, nice and simple. So the beginning of the story said there are 5 apples, so I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. That's the total, which is why there's 5 in my number bond. It said that 4 of the apples are Sam's, so I'll circle 4 and put an S for Sam. The rest are Jim's, so what I didn't circle must be Jim's. How many apples does Jim have? Well, it looks like 1. Jim has 1 apple. So my 2 parts were the 4 that Sam had and the 1 that Jim had, and I need to write an addition and subtraction sentence to go with it. So I see that my total is 5, so 4, what Sam had, plus 1 that Jim had equaled 5. And then in my subtraction sentence, I start with my total 5 minus the 4 that Sam had gave me the 1 that Jim had. All right. But it also said I needed to label my number bonds. I need to make sure to do that. So this is how many Sam had, this is how many Jim had, and this is the amount they had all together, the total. So as you solve the problems, number 2, 3, and 4, make sure that you're answering all the parts of the question. So on number 2, you're going to want to make sure to draw your simple math drawing and fill in your statement, label your number bond, and then make your addition and subtraction sentence. And for number 3 and 4, the directions just look a little bit different. It says to use the number bond to complete the number sentences and use simple math drawings to tell the math story. So this time there is no story for you. You're making your own math story. So it could be about cats, it could be about apples, it could be about boys, whatever you want. And then you're going to draw the math story to go with that story that you told in your brain. But make sure that your story is using the numbers that are given to you in the number bond. Happy mathing!